Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make one page website with menu, or how to make single page website with navigation menu. Like this is the website. If I am going to click about us, it's come to about us section. How to do this section wise I will show you. I make this website with the Elementor. Just click edit with Elementor, and after that just go to your dashboard, and in appearance click on menu, create menu, and in that URL just write here. You can create the menu item from here also. Custom links, just write the menu name, and in that URL you need to write hashtag products or anything about this. I just write in that product section, I just write hashtag products. I just copy it. Just find out the product section in your Elementor. So this is the product section. Just click this 6 dot and click on advanced. After that go to the layout, and here CSS ID is there. Just paste this and remove that hashtag and publish it. After that click on preview. It's working or not. So this is the about us, and this is the products. It's working fine now. Now I am going to link the portfolio also. To do this, again go to the portfolio menu. You need to create this. I already created. So here portfolio, I have one external URL. Leave it. If I am going to click the portfolio, it's open another page on browser, PDF browser. It's opening. So just leave that. Click here. It should come this portion. So again go to the Elementor section and click that 6 button. Go to the advanced, and in layout section just paste that copied things and publish it. Here one more thing is there. I want to contact us should come here. To do this, again go to the menu section and copy it. And here is the contact section. Just click that 6 button, go to advanced and paste that and publish it. After that it will automatically refresh, and if I click this industry sub, this section, and for contact us, this section. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.